Okay, my friends, so we're going to give you a quick introduction to the spreadsheet that I'm going to have you using for this homework. It's going to be similar to what you saw me use with the coins in class. First thing you want to make sure is don't have any other Excel spreadsheets open. This is going to be in Excel. I do not know how to do any of the stuff that's in this spreadsheet in Sheets, so it's going to be in Excel. So make sure that you don't have any other Excel spreadsheets open. That's the important first thing. Okay. Next up, we're going to open this puppy dog, get it in student view so it looks like what you see. There we go. And then week 6, here we go for the dice homework. All right. Click on that. It's going to kind of show it in Excel, or in Canvas, excuse me. I download it, definitely download it. I don't think these things work very well from within Canvas, so it's up here for me. I'm going to click that and open it. And we're just going to make sure you know what you're looking at. So the first thing it's going to ask you to do is, should I enable editing? And you definitely should. There's no computer viruses in here that I'm trying to screw with you with. Okay, so what you're looking at as you look at this sheet is the experiment of the number of rolls it takes until you get a repeated side. So right now, currently, the dice are rolling here. And the dice are random numbers. They're up here in the cells above. I've got them hidden up here. So it's randomly generating a number from 1 to 6, and it's keeping track of the rolls that happen because of that. And it's going to stop as soon as you get a repeated number. So here we got a repeated 5. I'll run it again here. Okay, here we got a repeated 2. There we also got a repeated 2. They're not next to each other, but you still got a repeated 2. There we got repeated 4s. Took 4. That one took 2. Happened right in the beginning. That one took 5, that one took 3, and you can just keep rerun. That one took all 7. That's kind of fun. Now, what is happening is Excel is keeping track of what is going on, and you're going to talk about that as you go through this homework. The thing I want to chat about is making sure that you can get your Excel sheet to re-randomize. So for me, I have a Windows machine. I just use what's called the F9 button. It's a function button. It's the top row of the keyboard. You may have to use the F9 button in combination with another one. F usually stands for function. So if you're running Excel on a Macintosh, very often if you hold down the button that says FN and then press the function 9 button, it'll work. I've heard some students say they have to use Shift F9, sometimes Option F9. That only works for Macintoshes. Try any combination of those, like action buttons, Shift, Control, Function, Alt, Option for a Mac. Like I said, for my computer, I just use the F9 button, and I can just hold it down like this, and it just keeps running trials, just like it's doing right now. And that's part of the quiz. A big part of the quiz is making sure you can hold down that F9 button until that graph you're seeing right there kind of stops bopping around and stabilizes. So I just wanted to make sure that you knew how to re-randomize. First of all, you can get the sheet open, and also then you could re-randomize once the sheet was open. Okay, this is not due until after the exam, so any questions you've got, feel free to grab me in class or shoot me an email. All right, talk to you soon, folks.